New Mom SOS. 7 Urgent Fixes to Survive Your First Month. Introduction. Surviving your first month as a new mom. The first month of motherhood can feel overwhelming, exhausting, and at times, isolating. Whether it's physical recovery, emotional struggles, or taking care of your newborn, the challenges seem never-ending. The truth is, every new mom faces difficulties. You're not alone, and it's okay to ask for help. This guide provides you with 7 urgent fixes to survive your first month of motherhood. From physical recovery to managing your baby's needs and overcoming mom guilt, we've got you covered. 1. Physical recovery. Navigating vaginal tears, C-section scars, and perineal pain. Vaginal tears. Vaginal tears are common during childbirth, especially if the baby is large or if you had a difficult delivery. The severity of the tear varies, and recovery depends on the degree of the tear. First-degree tears involve only the vaginal lining, while second-degree tears may involve the muscles around the vagina. Third-degree tears reach the anal sphincter, and fourth-degree tears extend to the anal canal. Immediate care. After a vaginal birth, ice packs can help reduce swelling and discomfort. Warm sitz baths, sitting in warm water, can soothe the perineum and promote healing. What to do? Ensure you follow your doctor's aftercare instructions for stitches. Use the peri bottle provided at the hospital to rinse the area gently after using the restroom. Untreated tears can lead to pelvic prolapse or chronic pelvic pain. Seek medical attention if you experience significant pain, swelling, or difficulty urinating. C-section scars. A C-section is a major surgery, and the incision will take time to heal. The pain and discomfort around the scar can linger for weeks after birth. Immediate care. Keep the area clean and dry. Use warm compresses to help with discomfort, and avoid heavy lifting. What to do? Follow up with your doctor to ensure the wound is healing properly. Light exercises, such as walking, can improve circulation and aid healing. Be cautious with abdominal exercises until your doctor clears you. Infection is a risk if the incision site becomes too wet or is not kept clean. Signs of infection include redness, warmth, discharge, or a fever. Immediate medical attention is needed. Perineal pain. Postpartum perineal pain is common, whether from vaginal tears or the pressure of childbirth. You may also experience swelling and discomfort. What to do? Ice packs and perineal sprays can reduce swelling and provide relief. Sit on a cushion or donut pillow to avoid direct pressure on the perineum. Pelvic floor exercises, Kegel exercises, can also promote healing once the immediate pain subsides. But avoid doing them too early after birth if you're dealing with a tear or C-section. 2. Postpartum bleeding. When does it stop and how to manage it? Postpartum bleeding, also known as lochia, is a normal part of recovery. It occurs as your uterus sheds the lining that was built up during pregnancy. What to expect? Lochia can last anywhere from 4 to 6 weeks after delivery. The bleeding will start heavy, resembling a menstrual period, and then taper off. What to do? Use maternity pads, not tampons, and change them frequently to prevent infection. If the bleeding becomes suddenly heavy or contains large clots, contact your doctor. Heavy bleeding after birth can be a sign of postpartum hemorrhage, which requires immediate medical attention. 3. Low milk supply and how to boost it in 48 hours. Understanding low milk supply. It's common for new moms to worry about low milk supply in the first few days or weeks of breastfeeding. But milk supply issues can often be solved with a few simple changes in your routine. What to do? 1. Nurse frequently. Aim to nurse every 2-3 hours. The more often your baby feeds, the more milk your body will produce. 2. Hydrate. Drinking plenty of water helps maintain milk supply. Breastfeeding moms should aim for 8–10 glasses of water a day. 3. Eat well. A diet rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber supports lactation. Include oats, leafy greens, and nuts in your meals. Snack that boosted my supply overnight. Lactation cookies made with oats, flaxseed, and brewer's yeast have been shown to boost milk production. Fenugreek tea. Drink fenugreek tea, which is known to increase milk supply naturally. Almonds and walnuts. High in healthy fats, these snacks can help with milk production. Note: if your milk supply doesn't improve after following these tips, consider consulting a lactation consultant or your doctor. 4. Managing postpartum mom guilt. Are you a good mom? The weight of mom guilt is real. New mothers often question if they're doing enough for their baby, especially when things feel difficult. This guilt can arise from feeling like you're not breastfeeding enough, not bonding enough, or not meeting society's expectations of perfect motherhood. What to do? Remind yourself that perfection is unattainable. Your baby's needs are simple: love, warmth, and nourishment. You are a good mom, even on days when you feel overwhelmed. Therapeutic tip: speaking with a counselor, joining a mom's group, or journaling can help release those emotions. 5. Strain between mom and baby. Is something wrong? In the early weeks, you may feel a disconnect between you and your baby, especially if you're struggling with breastfeeding or sleep deprivation. What to do? Skin-to-skin contact is crucial. Holding your baby close promotes bonding and helps regulate their body temperature. Also, consider baby wearing to increase physical contact throughout the day. Note: a strained connection isn't a sign you're not a good mom. It's common to feel emotionally distant due to exhaustion and postpartum hormones. 6. Getting your partner's support. You don't have to do this alone. Involving your partner in the postpartum recovery process is essential for both your mental and physical health. Partners often want to help but might not know how. What to do? 1. Communicate your needs. Be clear about where you need support. Whether it's helping with nighttime feedings or household chores, communication is key. 2. Be specific. Instead of, "I need help," say, "Can you hold the baby while I take a nap?" 3. Include your partner in baby care. Have them participate in diaper changes, baths, and other routines. Your relationship will be stronger when both of you actively share the responsibility. 7. Safe exercise after birth. When can you start? Exercise after childbirth is essential for your physical and emotional recovery. But knowing when to start and how to do it safely is crucial. What to do? 1. Consult your doctor. Before starting any exercise, check with your healthcare provider to ensure you're physically ready. 2. Start with light walking. Walking around the house or neighborhood is an excellent way to begin. 3. Core and pelvic floor exercises. Once cleared by your doctor, Kegel exercises and core strengthening exercises can help restore your body's strength. Warning: avoid high-impact activities or heavy lifting until your doctor gives the green light. Conclusion: you are not alone. The first month of motherhood is challenging, but you are stronger than you think. By following these 7 urgent fixes, you will not only recover physically but also find joy and connection with your baby. Remember, motherhood is a journey. Take it one step at a time.